In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear drive shaft on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. You want to make sure the rear wheels are off the ground. And then we're going to mark the drive shaft right here, just with a marker. That's if you're reusing it. If you're replacing it, obviously you can't do this. Using a 15mm socket, I'm going to take these bolts out. Going to leave it in there temporarily. Take that one out. You can access the top ones. You want to do that as well. It helps to have the drive shaft in this orientation so that you can access these. Otherwise, you may have to put it in neutral and turn it. Or even using wrenches, you could use a 15mm wrench. Loosen that up. Now just support the drive shaft, take this last bolt out. And give it a tap. If tapping it doesn't work, just use a pry bar. Just pry it out. Just grab the drive shaft and slide it out. Slide the yoke into the differential. Get the rear flange lined up. You can get the bolts started. You put some thread lock adhesive on the bolts. Make sure that mark is lined up where you took it out. Now start snugging these down. Then we're going to torque all these bolts to 85 foot-pounds. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.